'cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks.
Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the rich history and exciting future of an iconic nameplate, the Chevrolet El Camino. From its classic roots to the stunning 2025 model, let's explore what makes this pickup a legend.
A message for eternity for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see.
The Chevrolet El Camino first hit the roads in 1959, blending the utility of a pickup truck with the style and comfort of a car. Over the decades, it evolved, capturing the hearts of car lovers with its unique design and versatility. Fast forward to today, and Chevrolet is set to redefine this classic with the 2025 El Camino pickup. Let's start with the front view of the 2025 El Camino pickup. The first thing you'll notice is the bold, prominent grille featuring horizontal bars and the iconic Chevrolet emblem at the center. The narrow, angular headlights give it an aggressive and modern look, while the wide air intake below the grille enhances its sporty aesthetic. The hood's raised contours add to the dynamic and muscular appearance, making a powerful statement on the road. Moving to the rear, the 2025 El Camino pickup continues to impress. The tailgate prominently displays the Chevrolet badge with the model name El Camino just below it. The sporty stance is enhanced by large multi-spoke black wheels and low-profile tires. Distinct crease lines and flared wheel arches add to its dynamic and powerful appearance. The slim horizontal taillights complement the sharp design language, while the dual exhaust system hints at its performance capabilities. So when can you get your hands on this beauty? The 2025 Chevrolet El Camino pickup is expected to hit showrooms in late 2024. Under the hood, you can expect a range of powerful engine options, including a turbocharged V6 and a hybrid variant, catering to both performance enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers. Advanced safety features, cutting-edge technology, and a luxurious interior make this pickup a perfect blend of style, power, and comfort. Chevrolet has packed the 2025 El Camino pickup with the latest tech. From a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen display to advanced driver assistance features, this pickup is designed to keep you connected and safe on the road. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the release date. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Chevrolet El Camino pickup. Whether you're a longtime fan of the El Camino or new to this iconic nameplate, the 2025 model promises to deliver a thrilling driving experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest car models. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.